So you know when you get a manual that is in German first, you're getting good shit. Hello YouTube, Nate Vincent here with FCP Euro. We're going to do a really quick product review on the SACHS Performance Coilover system for the Mk7 GTI. Alright, so let's start at the front of the car. We have the front damper right here. So this is your main damper. This is going to go into your knuckle up front. Your sway bar is going to mount to it here. This is a dust cover. And this is obviously going to go to your top mount. This is your front spring right here. So front spring sits on here, uses your existing top mount and strut bearing that your car has. We have an inverted damper. So let me explain this a little bit. This is something that most of the high performance dampers are doing at this point. So you can see this is an inverted design. See how big this diameter is? This isn't skinny, this is a big diameter. The reason that is because this is actually the part that has fluid in it. This has the oil in it. Inside here is a small rod, just like a normal damper. So if we look at a traditional damper, one of these rears is actually a traditional damper. You have the small rod right here. Oil is in this area. So on these inverted fronts, you see they're opposite. Oil's up top, we have a small rod running down in here within this larger rod. So we have our damping adjustment right here. So this is basically a two-way damper. So you can adjust the ride height via these threaded collars, and these will act as a lock nut and they'll lock together at whatever the chosen ride height is. And then you also have your damping adjustment right here. So you make it harsher valving or more resistant to move or to change, or you can soften it up. I will note that this stuff is quite robust. You can look at the diameters up here, these big threads. Obviously, the inverted design is going to make this more robust. This is just a dust seal. I know a lot of people switch over to a coil-over suspension. They struggle with it, it starts to leak oil, you bottom out a couple times, everyone wants their car nice and low. This system, it looks like the materials used coming from ZF Race Engineering and SACHS Performance. These guys know how to make this stuff well, and this will last many, many years without any issue. Thank you very much for watching. We're going to be installing this. We're super excited about this. Please leave a comment below if you want to see more of our products or anything else that we can do quick product reviews on. We'll see you later.